So hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you some fossils that have opal in them. They call them sometimes opalized or ammonite or something like that. These things are like 100 years old and they are really beautiful. I will be zooming in just a second to show you how like the colors are in like a close up. And I bought this one from eBay from an auction. It was like 20, it reached $20, and like if you would buy like some higher quality with like beautiful colors and it's like polished, more polished, and you can see like it's much bigger or so, it could reach like even thousands of dollars. Like it could reach hundreds. It depends. Like most of them are in auctions. And every like I searched about like how much like how old are they, and like I found a lot of things, but mainly like people say it's from like 50 million years old to 150 million years old. And this is really like pretty amazing, like seeing this like gorgeous thing, a fossil, like, and you can just buy it for that cheap, and it's really beautiful. And I bought this is like from Madagascar, and I don't know if I said that right anyway. And these three are like a really cheap, like you can like they are in really bad shape, but they still have like a bit tiny of color, but they are really bad. Like I may polish them or sand them. So you like maybe I will find something out. Like I bought these from China. They are like $2 or $3, and they are really bad quality. Like you can't see anything like comparing to this one. They have another one that I made a video about, and you can see that in my videos if you want. And I'll be zooming in just a second. So this is a close up. I noticed like when I was like looking close to it, it like have a lot of tiny scratches, and it's like have that haze. And I think I need like maybe to sand it a bit, like for from 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,000 to 3,000 sandpaper grits, and that will give it like after that I will be polishing it. But I'm not sure what to use like as a polishing compound. So if you have any idea, please put it in the description in the comment section. And I will be posting that video maybe soon, like in a couple of days if I did it. And if you can see like the colors, they are really beautiful. The green, there's like a tiny bit of yellow. Like the problem is like that haze is just ruining everything, but it's like really beautiful color. And like especially the green color and with the red, it's really amazing. I just like I want to polish it to see like how it's going to be, like how, like if I think you can see how it's scratched up. Like I thought it would be much polished, like it would be polished or so when I bought it, but like I just received it like a couple of days ago. So I will be posting that video. So if you want to see that, like just subscribe. And if you have any questions or any suggestion, please leave them in the comments section down below. And if you like this video, please leave a like. And thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.